we're going to start out by taking off these two 10mm nuts. Now you want to take off the top piece of this latching mechanism, place in the new bracket, and then just simply replace that piece. We're going to reuse it and fasten it back down with these two nuts. Now I'm going to get my bracket that goes up top here, find where I want to put it exactly, and then go ahead and mark it. Now I just have a paint marker, and I'm quickly going to paint the edges of this hole just so it doesn't rust. I'm going to get my bracket here, line up my rivet gun, and install the rivet. I'm going to try to match the same exact height that I put on the other side. So it looks about right. Go ahead and mark my holes. Get my center punch out. Center punch so my drill bit doesn't walk. Then get my drill bit and my drill and go ahead and drill. Get my paint marker, touch up on the raw metal. So I'll give in the paint some time to dry. I'm going to hold my bracket in place while I get my rivet tool, line up the holes, and then rivet this bracket in place. It's pretty simple, pretty fast install too. Get this bottom one here. This top hole right here. Good. It's pretty sturdy. Now it's time to attach our cable. Now, hold this tight. So I just finished the install. Here they are. This is how you're going to adjust your tension here. It's a turnbuckle, so each way you turn it, it either spreads out these two ends or brings them closer. And you want to make sure you lock this down with this locking nut on each side. Here is a view of the top bracket. Here are those rivets. I might hit this with some black spray paint at one point just so it can kind of blend in a little bit. But overall, this doesn't look too bad. Looks pretty cool, honestly. So we're on the highway now, and I can hear a little bit of wind noise coming off. It feels like it's from that one, but you know, just slight wind noise.